Whoa, what's happening with it, D-Law? It's your boy Pre, and we back at it again with another upgrade. Today, we back in the Tundra. Something light. Check this out. Alright, look at what we got today. This little bland little button right here, a little knob. We're gonna do a little upgrade on it today. This is a little product here, got off Etsy. So what we're gonna do, first you wanna clean the surface. Get the button clean little button. Clean that button. Look how clean and shiny it is. Now let's let it dry. Alright. So what I like to do, now that button is good and dry, I get ready and install my overlays. I like to take a little heat. I think my heat gun is in the storage. But guess what? It ain't gonna stop nothing today. So what we gonna do is, let's see. Yep. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little sticky. I like to rub a little heat on it. Then make the stick. And there we go. Too easy. Too easy, and that look good. I like it. I like it. Easy install. 2 minutes, that's all it takes, 2 minutes. Tell me what y'all think about it. I kinda like it, Yeah. Leveling up my little SR5 a little bit, you know. But until the next one, peace. And I got a lot more coming.